Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetrading.com. Recording started 8 p.m., 3 hours into this Asian session. So I decided to take the trade and record also. So this one, see, is pound Aussie sell order. I just opened here, sell order here, just at that level, 57.68. All right. So let's go and actually this is EUR-AUD, by the way. I'm going to open the pound Aussie as well because pound Aussie is beeping. This one beeped already and stopped, so I'm gonna pause the recording and go and take care of the pound Aussie too. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, I just opened the pound Aussie sell order as well. So EUR-AUD and pound Aussie both going down. Both has a decent sell orders, and let's see what happened. SL in place. Okay, so yeah, so you see, yesterday I had these two trades. So, but on the other computer and Asian sessions, I didn't record it, like the entry. So I decided to record the entry on this one as well. So let's see what happened. All right, so I'm gonna go take a nap after this. So I'm gonna pause the recording, and then we'll come back later with the updates. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. Just giving you a little update. EUR-AUD. By the way, this is right now is 8:35 p.m. Asian session. It started at 5, so 6, 7, 8, so 3.5 hours into the Asian session. Like I said, that these yen pairs and Aussie pairs, they oftentimes move good in the Asian session. So I decided to I start recording in the Asian session and show you. So this is my short here, EUR-AUD, and this is my short here in pound Aussie. So both of these are going. My SL are in place. So let's see what happens after a little while. If they drop, if I survive, I'll let you know. If my SL hit, I'll let you know. I'll come back and give you the update. Okay, so, and the rest, if anything, I'll open maybe if I get a setup in the London session. Okay, so let's see what happens. I'll be back. Hello, everyone. Sam here again. Little update. My EUR-AUD, pound Aussie going down nicely. SL moved to 15 pip each on this one, 15 pitch, and I moved the SL down a little bit on this one as well for 15 pip. So they are surviving right now and going down, as well as I have on the other computer. I have this one. I just copied the picture here. This is the crude oil buy order right there with the setup, perfect setup by the book, and from 77.85 to 78.83. So this is also running, going on. So when I close, I'll record the picture. By the way, yesterday's pound yen trade for 75 pip, hitting the 60.10 area. I forgot to record the chart, so but at least it's recorded in the video. All right, so this is it. So I'm gonna go back, and I was thinking about taking a nap, but no, things are moving. So and it's Friday, the last Friday of the week, the last Friday of the month, the last Friday of the year. All right, so yeah. So I want to just get at least 100, 150 out of the, today out of the market. So let's see if I'm able to, okay? So I'll be back then with updates later. Pause recording, yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. Updating a little bit here. Right now, both of my trades, EUR-AUD and pound Aussie, they're going down nicely. This one, EUR-AUD, so far it is at, let's see, it's like 35 pip. And I think pound Aussie is more. Pound Aussie is doing something like 50. So that's 85 pip. So what I'm thinking is that this is a Asian session, right? I'm gonna close these and then wait until it's 85 pip already in the bank, and then London session I'll see if I can find some more entries, right? How about that, right? So this is just remember, I'm gonna close this and then okay, I'm gonna close the video completely, and I'll start a new video in London session again. Okay, all right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys in London session. Just remember that this is two trades on Friday night, Asian session, 85 pip already in the bank. Okay, and those two entries I took, and by the way, my oil is going up very nicely. Let me just take a look. Hold on just a minute. Uh, Come on, man. Okay, so my oil, is it still surviving? Yes, it is still up there. So I'll see how much is that. But yeah, I'm not gonna close the video. I will just pause the recording and see what happens. But I'll close the trades. Okay, so 85 pip positive already. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I closed both of these trades, 35 pip Euro Aussie and 50 pip Pound Aussie, total of 85 pip already. Okay, for tonight in Asian session. And I'll see what I can do. Right now it's 10:30, so until 3:30, it's 11, 12, and 5 hours later, we might have some more setups. Okay. So I'm gonna close this video and convert the recording and send out the video, and I'll make a new video for London session. Okay, so bye for now and see you guys in London session.